Hey guys, so check this out. I'm over here in Port St. Lucie. This is a property one of my students is buying, one of my coaching students, and I am personally loaning my own personal funds for them to buy this house. So that's one of the benefits of being a coaching student of mine. I'll personally come and look at the house and lend you the money to do your first rehab, right? So I've got many students where they're looking to do their first rehab. I'll help them find their first house. I'll even help them with the crew to fix and flip their first house, just like I'm doing on this one here. So if you want to do your first flip and you want somebody to lend you the money, that's one of the benefits of being my coaching student. So if you're in South Florida and you're looking to get into the business of fixing and flipping or buying Airbnbs, then I encourage you very much to come take a look at our Fix and Flip Bootcamp, where we discuss in detail and show you how we do this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.